What's that?
Scotch egg.
Why?
Because I wanted to.
Did you?
Yeah.
Thanks, Luke. I threw it.
Dan had a Scotch egg off the cob woman this morning, and then he decided he didn't like it and threw it. And one of our friends, Luke, had paid for it, so that was nice.
Sorry about that, Luke. We'll start this fucking video again.
Yeah. Okay.
Looking pretty good, mate.
Yeah.
Should we start that again? Let's just start that again. Fuck you lot. Black EP3.
Black EP3.
Number 2 for today.
Number 2 for today. So this car has got RBC inlet, RBC VTEC cam gear inlet. It was on a K100 ECU and previously mapped by obviously someone else, don't necessarily know who.
Black EP3 in the house. Number 2 for today.
Yeah, number 2 for today, so good. Oh god, the MOT bay's making noise.
It's too fucking loud! I can't hear me fucking something!
Can't do that, mate. Take 3.
Just take 3.
Yeah, take 3.
Check out the other YouTube channel for the outtakes, because they're pretty good.
Yeah, they are sometimes quite good, aren't they?
Right, so, second EP3 of the day. This is a nice flat one. Richard, run through the mods, man.
Yeah, we've got RBC inlet. We've got RBC VTEC cam gear on the inlet side. This vehicle was already previously tuned, so we're looking at it. Obviously, it starts with that. It's got a 3-inch custom intake on it. It's got a Jap Speed 4-to-1 on it. It's got the 70mm exhaust on it. It's got high pressure fuel rail. Fuel rail won't necessarily make any odds to us, I don't believe. But like I say, this car was previously tuned.
It was previously tuned, and it looked all right as well.
Yeah, to be fair, the graphics
did really
all right.
well.
I mean, we started off with the claim power was 240. It ran 236. I was honest with the customer and said, at this point, I don't think there may be a lot that I could improve upon, if anything.
Don't know.
Don't know if that affected that or not.
I'm not sure whether.
Start again.
Fuck off. Fucking hell. It's alright, you can't have a sweet in your mouth, babe.
Not sweet one, that.
What kind of sweet is it? Humbug.
Yeah, that's what Jason gave me a minute ago.
Thanks, Jason, for giving him sweets whilst he's on the job. Right. FN2, red one. Came in today and it's had a Teguar 4-to-1 manifold, Teguar 70mm sister, which we like, and a CPL big bore induction kit, just like on my car. And it's mapped up pretty well.
Yeah, CPL is not my favourite. Battery location's okay. It's not my favourite to fit. You know, the hybrid racing one, I think is better.
You like the hybrid racing one, don't you?
Yeah, it's a bigger kit, but it definitely needs some modification on the inner wing to get that to fit. But this fits straight in. So there are fors and against. In that respect, Teguar manifold, Teguar exhaust, that's proven 1,000 times, ain't it?
Although you were swearing a little bit at it earlier.
Getting the heat shields off the manifold drives me mad.
Right, so yeah.
It's all right if the bolts are in a level of a grade of what size they used to be, and you can get them off.
But these are turned to soil.
Yeah, when they're literally eroded to nothing, it's it can be quite difficult to get the heat shields off.
Look at that rain, mate.
That'll be snow soon.
I ain't ready for
I'm gonna
this.
start that again. I'm not happy with this.
I'm not happy with that.
Right,
Just
yeah.
eat the fuck.
Oh,
Okay, look at that.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.